Hello, I am Archita, and today I'll be showing my project of Module 2. So, I've chosen the project for Portfolio Optimizer using the knapsack algorithm. I've created a CSV market data file. This is the Excel sheet of it, and I've also applied dynamic programming for optimization and to visualize efficient frontier, that is risk versus return. I've also added my project in such a way that it can handle multiple constraints. So these are my code. So, first of all, I will show you my pie test. So, as you saw that my pie test is green, so it is successful. Now, I'll run the code. Also, it can plot the graph, but the plotting can take a bit time. Meanwhile, I'll explain my project. Okay, so as you can see, my program will show the total cost, expected return, and the average risk score, as well as generate a frontier image. The image I'll show at the end. Now I'll explain why it shows all of this. As this was my one of the biggest hurdles I had to face earlier. Uh, yeah, I faced this hurdle earlier. Every parameter returned to zero as a result. So I had to add a code to show that it was taking to show me what it was taking in, and why the result was not as expected. This led to my second biggest problem, which was that I had very limited data in my assets.csv file. So that's why so that's why I added the required and changed how the parameters were taken in. Therefore, ultimately, I fixed the main problem, uh, which was that the risk wasn't being calculated properly because the assets were really low that time. Also, I'll show one more thing, that I've also used safeguards for error handling just in case. So now let me check the plot. So yeah, this is the plot generated according to the risk versus return. So that's all about my project.